Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be talking about the essential tools review that I created. So the first thing you want to do is go to the website. It's just my name, and then it's going to be essential tools review at the bottom. And then when you get here to this page, you're just going to scroll down, and all it is, it's going to be a PDF of the task to be completed and the script that's going to check for the success of doing the task. So after you run it, it's just going to check. It shows you incorrect, not correct, and maybe something that should point you in the right direction. And then, so it's hosted on the Gumroad website, so you can click this link if you want, and it's going to take you to that page there. And here it is. That's my name there. And then you can also click the second link as well. It's the same thing. And then, so once you get to this screen here, what you're going to do is you can put any price. So we can start with 0 here, and then you're going to say, I want this. And then you're going to click, and then my email is already there. And then you can put here, make sure you put something here. You got to put either 0 to go ahead, because it's not going to let you go ahead without putting some amount. And then you're going to do get. And then it says here, a fire hydrant. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Train the AI there. Let's see, did I miss one? Whoop. And what's up? Okay, I think that's it. All right, perfect. And it's going to take you to this page, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to download all as a zip. Okay, and then you're going to open that up and make sure that it's there. Oh, this was from earlier, so let me delete that. We didn't see that. And then so we're gonna extract here like that, and then you should get the 2 files. So there it is. So it says the shell script for the checks and then the actual tasks themselves. So if we click in here, we can see the tasks themselves, like number 1 here, create a directory named review folder, and user learners home directory. So here we go. So these are the instructions. So installation of RHEL 9 with GUI, and then user learner created, and then run the script as root. Okay. And then one thing too is I recommend just doing this on the image that we've been working on. Just go back to the initial state, go to Firefox on the GUI, and then doing it from there. And that way the files are just already in there. You don't have to fiddle around with the with getting into the VM or anything like that. I know you can just probably just copy and paste it into the VM, but this way it's just a little contained. And then you can X out of there. So once you're done with the commands, or the tasks, we go to the terminal. And then what we're gonna do here is we're just going to CD into downloads like this. Let me make this a little bigger here. CD into downloads there. And then we should see it. So there it is. That's the review folder. So we're gonna go in there. So CD in there. And then ls, and we should see the shell script, and we should see the PDF as well. And then to run the shell script after you're done, you're just gonna go change mod, and then we're gonna do verbose, and then we're gonna do this. Oh, sorry. And then essentials, right? Essential tool. Oh. Forgot, you got to put in the actual thing you want to change, and we just want to add the executable because this is a program, and then we want to run it. Okay, and then so it's going to be essential tool self check, and then we're going to add that. Boom, you should see that change there, and then we go here, essential tools check, and then just run it. Okay. And then as you can see here, the start of essential tool review check, task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, task 5. Okay, only 5 tasks. I am working on a longer one. And just so you know that the difference, I'm just gonna do the first task here in the background. One thing I actually forgot to do was switch to root to run it. Okay, that's something we do want to do, just in case. And then so we can clear this. And let's run it as root. Okay, so same thing, but I recommend running it as root just in case. Never know. And Next thing we want to do here is I'm going to do one of the tasks in the background and then I'm going to rerun it again. Okay. So I just did the first task and then so now we're going to rerun it. Okay. And boom, as you can see, it changes there to correct. If that was helpful for you, leave me a comment on the video, or you can also leave a review on the Gumroad. I am looking for ways to improve it as I'm working on a longer one and more in depth and more details. So yeah, thank you so much.